How to change Facebook page name. Do you want to rebrand or change the name of your Facebook name? What you can do first is to go ahead and open up the Facebook app and then go ahead and click on this menu icon at the top right, and then from here select settings, and then go ahead and look for page details, and then in here you'll usually be able to change a lot of things such as more info about your page. But changing the page name usually is through changing your account first into your original Facebook account. So click on the switch profiles button, and then once you have switched your account, you need to go ahead and look for account center, profiles and personal data. Click on your page, and then you'd be able to change your page name from here. So go ahead and enter the new name and then select review change. Enter your password to confirm changing the page name.